Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen noodles taste better. First, let's start with some super easy upgrades. A soft-boiled egg adds incredible creaminess and protein to your bowl. Don't forget to toss in some fresh greens like spinach or chopped scallions for a vibrant touch. Finally, a small dash of sesame oil can introduce a wonderful nutty aroma and flavor, transforming your instant ramen into something truly special. Now, let's talk about boosting that broth. For a rich, savory depth, stir in about 1 tablespoon of miso paste. A quick splash of soy sauce or fish sauce can also significantly enhance the umami notes, making your ramen taste more authentic. Don't underestimate the power of aromatics. A small amount of garlic and ginger paste will infuse your broth with incredible fragrance and flavor, elevating every spoonful. Adding protein and texture can turn your ramen into a complete meal. Thinly sliced chicken or pork cooks quickly right in the hot broth, absorbing all those delicious flavors. If you prefer a plant-based option, firm tofu cubes are fantastic for soaking up the broth and adding substance. For those who enjoy a little heat, a sprinkle of chili flakes or a drizzle of chili oil will provide a pleasant, warming kick. To take your ramen to the next level, consider some final touches. Garnish with a few sheets of nori or a sprinkle of furikake for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. A small squeeze of fresh lime juice right before serving can add a surprising brightness that cuts through the richness. And hey, if you're into meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.